Good morning, children. Myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn subject ENV looking around. Do you know our primary needs? There are three our primary needs: air, food, and water. We need air to breathe. We need food when we are hungry. We need water when we are thirsty. We can't live without our primary needs. Now look here, there are 70% water and 30% land on our planet. There are vast water bodies on our planet. That's why it is called blue planet. Water is most important in our life. We can't live without water. So today we learn poem 3, Water O Water. It is written by Sri Prasad. There are two main characters in this poem, Munna and his Nani. Munna says something about water in this poem. We use water to wash our face. We drink water in day-to-day our life. We can't live without water. We drink water when we are thirsty because it is our primary needs. Water has been with us for ages, but in a different ways and a different form. Now look here, dew. Dew is also a form of water. Look here in this picture, dew on a flower. Now we understand the meaning of dew. During the night, the land cools down and water vapor in air condenses. Condensed water vapor gets deposited on leaves and flowers as droplet of water called dew. Now look here, snow is also a form of water. If the air of a place is very cold, water vapor condenses to form crystal of ice called snow. Snow is a frozen water vapor. Now look here, plants never grow without water. Water needed to grow plant. India is our agriculture country, but it is not possible without water. So we need water to grow plant. Now we learn the sources of water. We get the water from tap, well, step well, stream, pond, river, sea and lake. But rain is the main sources of water. Without rain we can't get water, and without water our life is not possible. Now we learn the uses of water. We use the water in day-to-day our life in a many ways. For example, we use water for drinking, for washing hands, for brushing teeth, bathing, cooking, watering plant to clean surface, to drink, and also water is used in mills and factory. Now we learn in which activity we need water. We need water for bathing, for cooking, for washing, for cleaning, but we don't need water for playing, for reading, for writing and for going. Now look here, the forms of water. The water is in a different form, solid, liquid and gas. Now these forms change into solid into liquid, liquid into gas, and again this gas change into water. Now we learn the process of melting. A solid changes into a liquid on heating. This process is called melting. When a liquid is heated, it changes into a gas. This process is called evaporation. Similarly, when we cool water vapor, it changes to water. This process is called condensation. And when water turn into ice on cooling, this process is called freezing. Now look here, this is a picture of water cycle. Here the river water is heated by the rays of sun. The heated water is changed into water vapor, and this water vapor goes up and up, and then after this water vapor change into drop of water. These drop of water join together and make the clouds. And these clouds when heavy, it's change into rain. So this process is called condensation. Again this rainwater come in river. Again the river water heated by the rays of sun and change into water vapor. So this process is called evaporation. Again this evaporation change into condensation. Again in evaporation. This process is continue turn by turn. So this process is called water cycle. But without sun it is not possible. Now look here. Now we learn that water is most important in our life. But we want a balanced water because overflow of water is also danger for our life. And overflow water is called floods. Now look here. The lack of water is called drought. It is also very danger for our life because without water our life is not possible. Without water our life is like this very danger life. So please I request to all save water. If you save water, water save to you because we can't live without water. Now look here the self study. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The largest sources of water is this. Number 2. Our dash is not possible without water. Number 3. Dash river in our city. Number 4. Dash is called blue planet. Number 5. Water is a dash wealth. So you have to write these 5 fill-ups in your notebook. Thanks for watching my video.